Hey guys, welcome to another video that I am creating. This is Josh once again, and as promised, uh, I would like to create a video teaching you guys who are new to the online working experience how to use one of the most famous platforms in finding work online. So, as you noticed, the setup of the video is quite different. This is because I will be narrating what I am going to be doing on screen so that you'd be able to see what I'm doing. So this video is going to be about how to use Upwork.com, more specifically setting up your Upwork.com account. Just a quick background to those who don't know, Upwork.com is one of the largest online working platforms in the world. So Upwork actually has multiple or thousands of clients that are looking for online contractors. Upwork is the platform that I started with back in 2012. Back then it was named Odesk. So Upwork used to be three separate companies called Odesk, Elance, and Freelancer.com. However, um, they combined into Upwork and in order to be able to create more diversity in terms of the client contractor relationship. So, the first thing we need to do in order to be able to set up an account is to go to upwork.com, as you can see here in the address bar of the browser, and then click on sign up here on the top right. This one. Okay, so the first window you're going to be sent to will ask you for your first name and last name. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a dummy account. So let me put my name in. And then your work email address. Now, your work email address could be your personal email address, although as a good practice, it would actually be better if you set up a separate email address. A Yahoo or a Gmail or a Hotmail address can work for this. This is basically an email address. I would recommend using an email address where you don't get a lot of marketing or spam stuff, so that if you have important updates from Upwork, you could see it. You could easily see it on your inbox. So what I'm gonna do is set up my own, add my own email address. So for example, solutions at gmail.com. All right. So just once you've filled in the three data that are required, just click on sign up with email. All right. So you'll then be asked to create your password. So let me type up my password. Select your country. All right, and then you'll be asked what type of account you're going to be creating. So you're either going to be a client or a freelancer or a contractor. So that I'm going to select work as a freelancer. Then you're going to be asked to use or to create your username. So once you've added your password, and your username, as well as selected your country and your type of account, just put a check on the checkbox beside I understand and agree to the Upwork terms of service. I do recommend that you click on this and read this first, so you get a broader understanding of how to properly use this website. It's pretty simple and easy to use, but just so you know, um, any specific details on uh, terms and conditions. We're not going to be going into that right now because this is going to be a very quick video. But once you've done that, just click on create my account. All right. So once you've done the sign up, you are going to be sent an email where you have to verify your email account. All right, let me just save this. So you're going to have to go to, in case here I used my Gmail account, so that's where I have to go. But basically, all you have to do is to access your email address, the email address that you used to create this account, and then click on the link you're going to receive, and you're going to see in your inbox an Upwork email asking you to verify your email address. It will then send you to your profile creation account here in Upwork. So it's as simple as that. All you have to do is to go to check your email and click on the verification link, and there you have it. You already set up your Upwork account. So the next video I'm gonna do is to help you set up your Upwork profile. This time, selecting your work preferences, what types of documents you need to send, the photos you need to add, and how to select your skills, how to set up your uh, job prospects. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to receive updates, hit the subscribe button so that you can get video updates from me, especially if you're interested in working online. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. Thank you so much.